Ooh, exciting. I found these blue ramshorns on Amazon, and they were the last two, supposedly. I think there might be three in there. And I thought they might be suitable to breed with my one. They look a really nice colour, maybe a bit darker than mine, but let's float them in the tank and see what they look like later on. They actually look really nice. The reviews for this seller were good on Amazon, and most people said they were sent 3 snails instead of 2, so yeah, happy with those. I've got to go back to work, but I'll see how they're doing later. They're on the move already. All 3 of them are out and about. Tempted to put them in. Put a little bit more water in there. I guess they might find their own way out of the tub while I'm at work. These guys seem pretty keen to get out, so I think I'll put them in the tank now. I think they'd be happier if I give them a hand. They came a day earlier than they were supposed to. Oh. There's my snail. So luckily it's a nice day here in Devon, and I've popped home to put the guinea pigs in the garden. I'll show you the guinea pigs. Well, they've let themselves out while I was making a coffee, so I'll just give the last one a helping hand and then get back to work. And there's my one, slightly bigger, and he's got a stripe on him, so I'll be able to tell them apart for a while anyway. Hopefully they'll make some little babies, or big babies. They're such a nice colour. Let's get this one out.